Hi everyone, it's Nick from Printerbase here. I'd like to introduce you to Samsung's CLX6260ND Colour Multifunction Printer, Scanner and Copier. This machine is ideal for users that no longer use a fax machine or already have one that they're not planning to replace. However, for those of you that need fax functionality, Samsung also have a CLX6260FR, which is identical apart from having the fax functionality as well as double-sided copy and scan. Now straight back to the CLX6260ND. This machine looks impressive, but more importantly it is impressive. Its up to 24 page per minute print speed is maintained thanks to a powerful 533 MHz dual core processor and half a gig of onboard memory as standard. You can choose to print using Samsung's PCL or PostScript driver with the confidence that thanks to their new recap technology, your text will be sharp, lines will be clear and colours will be vibrant. I encourage you to get in touch to see some print samples for yourself. The face-down output tray is located between the printer and the top scanner and will hold up to 150 sheets of your printed paper. If you want to know more about why face-down output is important, please click on the link below. So with this machine being a 3-in-1, there's quite a few things to talk about, so I'll begin with the copy feature. This machine does not require a connection to a PC via USB or your network infrastructure in order to copy. As long as it's plugged into a power socket, it will work as a standalone copier. Now the copier's automatic document feeder will hold up to 50 sheets, and there's also a glass platen for anything that it can't feed through its ADF. The machine is rated at up to 24 copies per minute in both colour and mono, but like all copiers this speed will change depending on the copy quality you choose. There's also a USB connection on the front of the machine so you can print TIFF, JPEG and PDF and XPS files directly from your flash pen drive and scan originals onto the flash pen drive, all without the need for a computer. Now, if you connect the machine up using a USB or network cable, you benefit from full print and scan functionality. The print speed is rated at up to 24 A4 pages per minute in both colour and mono. Print quality is great and you're able to print on up to 220 GSM cards single-sided or 120 GSM double-sided via the 50 sheet multipurpose feeder or 250 sheet paper tray. There is one additional 520 sheet extra tray that can be added underneath, which also handles the same media weights. Finally, the scan functionality lets you scan to PC via USB, but I would recommend connecting the machine to your internal network. The benefits of connecting it up to a network can be unclear, so I've filmed a separate video which goes into more detail. Click below to watch that now. Okay, let's take you for a walk around the machine. Okay, we're going to have a closer look now at the Samsung CLX6260ND. The first thing is I'm going to print off a PDF from our USB pen drive. So the USB socket is just underneath the control panel here. Once you plug that in, you're going to be able to press direct USB and print off the file that you want. So I've got a list now of all the PDFs. I'm going to select one of them. It's telling me the file size. Quite a high resolution print sample list. I'm going to ask for 3 copies. I'm going to press the colour button. If you want to save toner, you can press the black and white button. Now we can post these out to you if you would like to see them. They're very high resolution, but because this has got a dual core processor inside, the machine is pretty quick at processing these jobs. Okay, so it's warming up now. In a moment you will see the samples coming out. And here is the first one. So as you can see, the print quality is excellent, but if you would like the posting out to you, get in touch. Okay, so there are the 3 samples. Okay. I'm now going to turn the machine off. The power button is at the back, but I'll spin the machine around in a second. Right, the first thing to take a look at is the automatic document feeder is here on top, but the glass platen is there underneath if you've got something that may be stapled together that you need to photocopy or scan. You've got the bypass feeder here, and this extends and you just change the guide which centralises maybe the envelope that you want to print. And you've also got the paper tray here, which pulls out, and it's very easy to load. If you want to put different sizes of paper in, you can adjust the guides. To get to the toners is very simple. You've got a button here, you press the button and pull, and the front folds down, and this green handle here you just pull out, and the 4 toners slot out very easily, and the toner and drum are connected together, so it is just a single piece unit. So there's the black, the cyan, the magenta and the yellow. Let me just show you a few other things. So if we spin the machine around like so, you'll see a panel here. When you remove the panel, this is where you can add extra memory. Looking at the back of the machine, you've got the power socket and the power switch, and also the USB and network connections. And on the left of the machine, there's another door here. When you pull the door open, this is where you get access to the waste toner bottle, and this item is removed like so. When it gets full, you just get a new one from Printerbase, and it slots back in very easily like that. And then we're back to the front of the machine. So if you've got any further questions, give us a call, 0800 170 7234, or don't forget the website www.printerbase.co.uk. I'm Nick, and thanks for watching.